From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a little stormy into this evening. Low end risk of severe storms, and we're getting less high on any severe weather, and just thinking that this is just going to be a line of showers, embedded thunderstorms that move through the area. But we'll keep an eye on the radar through the evening hours. It's all associated with a storm system that's moving through the nation's midsection. So let's go ahead and take that full and take a look at that, producing nice big snows across portions of the high plains, moving out of the Colorado Rockies, and east of it, showers and storms moving down all the way down to the Gulf Coast as well. We do have some weather watches and warnings. These are all winter storm warnings in pink across portions of Nebraska, all the way up through Iowa and then into Wisconsin as well. Farther to the south, it's the risk of severe weather. We do have a couple of tornado watches out there. This one in effect till 8 o'clock tonight, and still some tornado watch action in Beauregard, Vernon Parish, close to home. Beauregard and Vernon Parish close to home, and we can see those showers and storms across there into central Louisiana this afternoon as we dial in into all the National Weather Service Doppler radars. Putting in motion, you can see the showers and storms generally moving from the southwest to the northeast, but what we don't see is a whole lot of lightning showing up with these systems. There's some linearity to some of the imagery, so there's going to be gusty winds. See that right there, how linear it is, where you go from rain to no rain, so there could be some wind gusts. And sometimes you see that gust front coming out, and that is sparking off the showers out ahead of this main, what we could call a broken squall line, but it's not an intense squall line at this point. Some heavy-duty showers and storms. Meanwhile, we dial into Power Doppler 3 close to home. We're not checking out a whole lot here. We see those showers, though, ahead of the strong storms across portions of Allen Parish up through northern portions of Evangeline Parish, but just mostly light shower activity. That's going to change as we head into the evening hours. And as we take a look at the graph model, showers and storms moving into northwestern section of Acadiana, probably within the next 90 minutes or so. It is impacting the western parishes of the state. And then notice that the stronger storms staying off to the north of us. We'll have a couple of flare-ups close to home. We'll have to keep an eye on these individual cells. So Lafayette, we went with 9 o'clock last night. Tonight we'll go with about 10 o'clock for your best chance of showers and storms. And then you can see the action moving off to the east as we head into later on this evening. Only threat I think we have to look out for are storms that'll contain damaging winds. Too stable in the lower parts of the atmosphere for any kind of tornadic activity to work its way down to the ground. Sometimes the atmosphere does surprise us, but I would expect, if anything, we'll just see some wind gusts. And then clearing out toward daybreak tomorrow, and tomorrow partly sunny day. Temperatures pleasant, upper 60s to lower 70s. Nice west to northwest wind. In fact, tomorrow, nice day of the entire week, because then it goes south once again as we head into Friday, beginning to cloud up ahead of our next weather maker that should deliver showers and storms to the area by late Friday night. And we see the model trying to bring in some rain. It's mainly going to be after midnight and toward daybreak Saturday, where we're going to see probably on and off rains. So how much rain do we get tonight? Maybe a quarter of an inch to a half inch. A few isolated spots may see more than that. Then we have another weather system coming in on Saturday, and then we add another couple of inches of rain to it, and then that other weather system we've been talking about that comes in on Tuesday adds even more rain to the equation. Notice there's a lot of heavy rain offshore with this system, so we'll be watching this because this heavy rain axis could advance northward. So bottom line, wet, dreary pattern ahead. A couple of nice days in between, but overall wetter than normal and temperatures getting closer to normal overall. In fact, tomorrow morning, mid 50s, and then tomorrow afternoon, upper 60s, lower 70s. And that's going to be the last time we see 70s for a while, at least for a week. Dipping down upper 40s, we think, Friday morning, and then Friday afternoon, upper 50s to lower 60s with clouds on the increase, and we're going to be dominated by clouds and some rain this weekend. So rain chances in the near term tonight at 90%. Notice you see the wind shift line, clouds clearing out after midnight tonight, so that's why we love our true view sky. And then as we head into tomorrow, mostly sunny day, nicest day of the week as we indicated, seasonably mild. Normal highs this time of year should be about 62, 72 tomorrow, and for reference, today's high 77 41 degrees. As we move forward into the 10-day forecast, our next weather maker coming on Saturday, we'll call it a dreary day. On and off rains most of the day from Friday night to Saturday night. Those rains end Saturday night or early Sunday morning. And then we have another weather system coming up on next Tuesday that could bring us more dreary weather and maybe some stronger storms. But overall, I'm shying away from the term all day rain and just going with dreary day.
Okay, that works.
Just kind of setting the tone and expectations for the weekend.
It went from all day to on and off.
On and off today.
Now dreary.
Dreary.
Let's see what we come up with.
I think
for
that's the best
sequence.
descriptor.
All right, very good. Thanks, Rob.